first of all, let me wish you a very happy Friendship Day. And today I thought of making this episode fully related to friendship so that you can give something to your friends on this special day. So, without wasting any time, let's begin.
So here I have taken 3 straws, 1 paper tape and some yarns of your choice. Keep them aside. Now take 3 straws and 1 color of your choice. So I took sky blue and insert that from one end of your straw and take it out from the other end. Just insert it and then take it out and just cut the extra yarn. Now, as you can see, I have done with my 3 colors, pink, blue and yellow. Okay. Now, put some paper tape and put at the front end so that the straws doesn't get slipped. So now take 1 yarn and tie a simple knot and just pick 1 straw. Pick the first straw and just tie it to it. Make sure your paper tape is tight. Now cut the pink thread as required and put another paper tape a bit longer so that it gets sticked to the table. Okay, now take the pink yarn and skip the middle one. Okay, first put another small tape at the threads. Okay, now go to the third and then again go to the first by skipping the other 2. Then skip it the second one, then reach the third straw, then bring from down, then again bring from down on the first straw, and so the process goes on. So similar process, you can add some different color to it, like I have added this blue, but the process is same.
So, with this colorful friendship pen, I'm going to wrap up my today's episode. I hope you have liked my video, and if yes, then please don't forget to hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you'll get any of my updates whenever I post any of my new videos. Till then, stay safe, stay home, stay creative. Me Parashmita signing off from you. Goodbye.